Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. In this video, we'll be discussing the alignment of the security function to business strategy, goals, mission, and objectives. Information security is a critical component of any organization's overall strategy. To ensure that it is effectively contributing to the organization's success, the security function must align with the organization's goals, mission, and objectives. To integrate the security function into an organization's overall decision-making process, it is necessary to have a thorough understanding of the organization's mission, values, and objectives. Additionally, knowledge of the current business environment and potential risks that could impact the organization is essential. The initiatives of the security function must be aligned with the organization's strategic goals. The mission of the organization is its stated purpose, the reason it is in business in the first place. A good mission statement is an easy-to-understand, general-purpose statement that says what the organization is, what it does, and why it exists, doing what it does in the way that it has chosen. An organization's strategy describes how it accomplishes its mission and is frequently adapted to address new challenges and business realities. Goals are what the organization wants to accomplish to further its mission. An objective is a milestone or a specific result that is expected and, as such, helps an organization attain its goals and achieve its mission. An objective, short-term, supports a goal, intermediate term, which supports a mission, long term, which is accomplished with a well-defined strategy. The security function needs to be able to communicate its objectives and goals in a clear and concise manner that everyone in the organization can understand. The security function must be able to show how it adds value to the business by demonstrating the impact of security incidents on the organization and how it contributes to the overall success of the organization. Organizations need to be proactive about security and identify potential risks associated with their business processes. Performing regular risk assessment and developing appropriate security measures to mitigate these risks is essential, including the creation of security policies, procedures, and standards that align with the organization's goals and objectives. Additionally, implementing security training and awareness programs for all employees is key to ensuring they understand and comply with the security policies and procedures. By taking these steps, organizations can make security a core part of their operations and protect themselves from potential threats. The security function must stay vigilant and adapt to the changing landscape of security threats. It's crucial to continuously assess and improve processes, systems, and technologies to stay ahead of potential attackers. Organizations must be proactive in identifying security risks and addressing them before they become serious problems. By keeping up with the latest security trends and technologies, the security function can help protect the organization from potential threats and safeguard its sensitive information. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.